Congratulations, the indigenous people of United Kingdom of Great Benin Empire, also known as UKGBE, an organization advocating for the industrialization, unification, and restoration of Benin Empire, preserving and promoting Benin cultural heritage, heartily congratulates His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Ukwuakbolokpolo CFR, Oba Ewuare II, and the entire Benin Kingdom for successfully securing the returned Benin artifacts. Special thanks to His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, for his love and support for our great Oba and our dear kingdom, for making declaration via a government notice number 25 in the Federal Republic of Nigeria Official Gazette number 57, Volume 110, dated March 28, 2023, titled Notice of Presidential Declaration on the Recognition of Ownership and an Order Vesting Custody and Management of Repatriated Looted Benin Artifacts in the Oba of Benin Kingdom, which has finally laid to rest the controversies and contentions orchestrated by some elements in government who wanted to repeat history, wrestle with our ancestors, and perhaps subvert our traditional institution and pervert the peaceful return and custody of their artifacts. UKGBE also uses this medium to salute all princes and princesses of Great Benin Kingdom who stand to defend our revered throne and great kingdom. UKGBE is working assiduously to ensure Benin Kingdom reverts to its pride of place prior to the invasion in 1897. Iyari Yari Umogun Oba Ewuare Ise, signed Prince Evangelist J.C. Osemege Isibo, Coordinator General, and Ambassador Curtis Ogbebo, UKGBE Edo State Coordinator, and UKGBE World Leaders.